Daddy monster truck.
Daddy monster truck.
Go real fast. It's got go real fast up. It's got go uphill.
It goes real fast uphill.
Yeah.
It's in my face right now.
It's in your face.
Yeah, you pushed it in my face. Where's Mommy monster truck?
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, okay. Mommy's the pink and yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a blue one. That's just funny. That's funny.
Daddy's funny?
Yeah.
Why is Daddy funny?
It's laughing.
Oh, he's laughing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's orange tires.
It has orange tires, yeah.
Big orange tires.
Big orange tires, yeah. Careful.
There's little mushroom. Not keep it down. That's funny.
Yeah.
That's funny. Up here.
He's funny.
It's so funny.
Is he smiling?
It's funny.
Yeah. I see that you have all your trucks lined up on the floor. What's that all about?
Yeah. What's that knocking?
Yeah, how come you have all your trucks on the floor lined up like that?
Tire. No. The tires.
Big black tires
Yeah.
on your other monster truck?
That's Daddy's new car.
Oh, yeah? Where does Daddy sit?
I got to sit in the
That's where Daddy
Back.
sits?
in the back.
I get to sit in the back? Who's driving?
Mommy or Daddy, Mommy
Daddy, Mommy driving? Where's Aiden sitting?
on the back.
Aiden sits in the back.
Yeah.
Where's Kinsey?
It's in front and Mommy.
She's in the front with Mommy?
Yeah.
How nice of Kinsey. Get to ride up front. Does Aiden get to ride up front
Yeah.
with Mommy?
Aiden her front.
Okay.
It's not Mommy can
That's a nice truck. Do you like trucks?
And it's in the back because it's not in the back.
Yeah.
It's in the car. Can they Daddy and Mommy and Mommy and Kenny
And Kinsey
and back.
in the back. Yeah.
No yet. The mirror. The black mirror.
There's a black mirror.
Yeah.
Careful, don't break it.
But that's a mirror. Look at me.
Mm-hmm.
Press button. Press button. Press the button.
How do we ask?
Please.
Please.
Again. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire.
Okay.
The forest.
Yeah.
The forest.
Mm-hmm.
The forest. The forest. The forest. The forest.
Yep.
What's what?
How many other trucks do you have? Can you count them?
The bed. What's what?
Yeah. How many other trucks do you have? Can you count them? How many?
No.
How many of them are there?
No.
How many? All right. Nobody wanted you to have to do math. Calm down. Nobody's gonna make you do math. Calm down. Can you say goodbye?
Again.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.